Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Shopify domain on Facebook Business Manager. This verification process is essential for establishing a secure connection between your Shopify store and Facebook, allowing you to run ads and track customer interactions more effectively across both platforms. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log in using your Facebook business account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. Take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts section. Click on your Facebook business page from this menu to proceed to the next step. After clicking your business page, you'll be taken to your Facebook business management page. This is where you can access various tools to manage your business presence on Facebook. On the left navigation menu, locate the Meta Business Suite option and click on it. This suite provides centralized access to all your business tools and settings. You'll now find yourself on your Meta Business Suite dashboard. Here, you need to locate the profile drop-down menu at the top of the page. Click on it, and you'll see your business portfolio list displayed. Within this window, look for the gear icon, which represents business settings. Click on this icon to access the deeper configuration options for your business account. Once you're in the business settings area, scroll through the left menu until you find the brand safety and suitability option. Click on it, and an expanded selection will appear with several sub-options. From this expanded menu, click on Domains. This will take you to the Domains page where you can see all the domains currently linked to your Meta Business account. To add your Shopify domain, simply click on the plus add button located in the top right part of the screen. This button opens up the domain addition process. You'll now be presented with two options: create a domain or request access to a domain. Select Create a Domain to proceed. An Add Domain window will appear on your screen. In this window, enter your complete Shopify store domain exactly as it appears in your Shopify settings. After entering the domain, click on Add to continue. Now you'll be presented with 4 verification steps that will guide you through connecting your Meta Business Suite to Shopify and verifying the connection. These steps typically involve adding specific code or tags to your Shopify store to confirm ownership. Follow each of these steps carefully, making sure you complete all the requirements. Once you've completed all 4 steps, simply click on Verify Domain to finalize the process. Facebook will then check the verification and confirm that your Shopify domain is properly connected. And there you have it, you've successfully verified your Shopify domain on Facebook Business Manager. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.